Hello friends, welcome back to my new video lecture. In this video, I will be talking about one of the very important Indian English writers. He is basically an Indian English writer, essayist, dramatist and whatnot. He is a very personification of versatile literary writer, and without him, Indian literature itself as its manifestation as a whole cannot be completed. The writer is none other than Nissim Ezekiel. Today, I will talk about Nissim Ezekiel. You all know about him. This is an introduction lecture, so I will try to give the various information of Nissim Ezekiel. He was an Indian Jewish poet, actor, playwright, editor and critic. Born in Mumbai in 1924 and belonged to Marathi-speaking Jewish community known as Bene Israel. He earned a BA in literature from Wilson College, Mumbai, University of Mumbai. He later studied philosophy at Birkbeck College, London. He stayed in England from 1948 to 1952, where, according to his own views, philosophy, poverty and poetry shared his basement room. Nissim Ezekiel is one of the prolific Indian writers in English of the 20th century. He was awarded the Sahitya Akademi Award in 1982 for his poetry collection Latter Day Psalms. He was also awarded the Padma Shri by the Government of India in 1988. His poetry has different themes and styles. His poems are a depiction of his craftsmanship, restraint and intellectual approach to everyday life. One of those Indian poets writing in English who create an authentic flavor of India by their use of Indian English. Ezekiel's writing style. It was with Ezekiel that modern English poetry took roots in India. He enriched the style and the content of Indian English poetry, enabling it to reflect the 20th century Indian reality. A group of contemporary Indian English poets follow the simple conversation style of Ezekiel. As a poet writing about urban alienation, he expressed the angst of many and educated middle class Indians. His poems are a very Indian poem in Indian English, The Patriot, Enterprise, Goodbye Party for Miss Pushpa T.S. Mary's, and books were Time to Change, The Discovery of India, The Unfinished Man. First published book, Three Plays, 1969. Nalini, a comedy in 3 acts. Mary's Poem, a 1-act tragic comedy. The Sleepwalkers, an Indo-American farce. Some essays on social criticism written by Nissim Ezekiel are How Normal is Normality, written in 1972, Tradition and All That Case Against the Hippies, 1973. A Quest of Sanity, written in 1972, Our Academic Community, 1968. Essays on Art Criticism, Modern Art in India, written in 1970, How Good is Sabawala, 1973, Painting of the Year, written in 1973. Volumes of Poetry, Time to Change, published in 1952, Discovery of India, 1956, or The Unfinished Man, written in 1960. Nissim Ezekiel occupies a unique position among Indo-Anglian poets of post-independence era. Nissim opposed the idealism and romanticism of the earlier group of Indian writers in English and tried to look at any typical Indian situation without an Indian attitude, with a novel and dynamic Indian insight. Thus, Ezekiel uses Indian English or Babu Angrezi in his poetry to depict the characteristics of Indian attitude. He used irony as a weapon to depict the characteristic feature of Indian attitude. Ezekiel has experimented with the use of typical Indian English. The poems reveals the common Indian mistakes of using present progressive tense in place of the simple present. The suffix ing is used in a wrong manner unnecessarily. This is very typical for Indian users of English. It also brings out the random pour of Indian speech. Clever use of Indian English as a means to explore the Indian mind and sensibility. For instance, we are meeting for we have met. I am not remembering for I don't remember. My wife is always asking for money, 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 where to get money. Being a believer and follower of Babu Angrezi, the poet simply amused the reader by the typical use of letter. Reader also finds them true to themselves and feels as if they are the person depicted in the poem. The use of typical Indian words like one gunda fellow, Indira Ben, a glass of lassi, pan, burqa. Nissim Ezekiel fully allows the Indian beliefs, superstitions, and sentiments to be shaped in some of the poems. In Indian society, there is a belief that if a crow speaks near one's house, it is an indication of someone's arrival, and the poet depicts this phenomena quite nicely. But suddenly turns his mood to the ordinariness of the metro life, as he says, the ordinariness of most events. Ezekiel's Indianness can be seen from the way he has described a flood in Bihar. Here the matter is rare or occasional, but the treatment is universal in its evocative of the pangs of human suffering. In the following lines, Ezekiel is able to bring to mind a dour picture of the Indian poverty. The villagers ran to them, they slapped their bellies and whined. I have not eaten for 3 days. My husband has been washed away. My parents have abandoned me. My son is dying. I cannot find my daughter. Myth-making nature is an essential aspect of the Indian psyche, and it is to be found in rural background. The poem is centered around a crisis of the scorpion beats of which the poet's mother is victimized. Typical villagers go in flocks to the poet's house to suggest whatever remedies they can. As it is the typical nature of Indian peasants, they regard it with the theory of previous birth, while some with theory of karma. May he still, they said, may the sins of your previous birth be burned away, they said. May your suffering decrease, the misfortune of your next birth, they said. The motherly love has received considerable notice in India. Mother's affection for her children gives her relaxation as scorpion picks on her and spares her children. My mother only said, thank God the scorpion picked on me and spared my children. Even the expression like thank God is typically Indian. We are accustomed to give credit or blame of good or bad things to the God. So, it is in this way that Nissim Ezekiel is a true Indian poet in sense and diction both. According to Chetan Karnani, Nissim Ezekiel has been conscious Indian in his sensibility. He has not only tried to describe Indian culture, but he has made good use of Babu Angrezi. So, thank you very much for watching my video till the end. Take care. Bye bye.